Class 6 Chemistry Chapter 4 Matter. Hello students, this is your Archita ma'am. Today in this presentation I am going to discuss matter. Some topics related to this are properties of matter, differences between mass and weight, characteristics of matter, then arrangement of the atoms in the matter, their interconversions of different states of matter and effects of heat on matter. So let's start the chapter. First topic is matter. All things are made up of materials. Do you know what the materials are made up of? Materials are made of matter. In simple way, you can understand that matter is anything that can be perceived by your senses. That is, you can see, hear, taste, smell, or touch matter. For example, air cannot be seen, but you can feel it. Thus, matter is defined as anything which occupies space and has mass. हमारे आसपास की सारी चीज़ें जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं, जो जिसका एक मास होता है या फिर हम किसी को फील कर सकते हैं, तो उन सब को हम मैटर में क्लासिफाई करेंगे. Second topic is properties of matter. Matter has mass and occupies space. These are two basic properties of matter. These properties are common to all matter. If we talk about the properties, then generally there are two properties when we discuss it: physical property and chemical property. Physical property is what? That can be observed or measured without changing the identity of substance. Like किसी चीज़ का कलर या फिर उसका ओडर या फिर उसका टेक्सचर, वो क्रिस्टलाइन होता है या फिर पाउडर फॉर्म होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें हम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ के अंडर क्लासिफाई करेंगे. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ कैन बी ऑब्जर्व्ड और मेजर्ड एज सब्सटेंस चेंजेस इन आइडेंटिटी. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में सब्सटेंस का आइडेंटिटी चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे कि बर्निंग, कोई चीज़ जब बर्न होता है तो स्टार्टिंग में वो जो था और बाद में जो हमको मिला, दोनों डिफरेंट होता है. तो दैट इज केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. If we talk about mass and volume, mass is the quantity of matter in an object, whereas weight is a measure of Earth's pull or gravity on an object. For example, if you could travel to Jupiter, you would weigh 2.5 times more on Jupiter than on Earth, while your mass remains the same. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. Let us see difference between mass and weight. There are many points given for the mass and weight. See the slide. I am discussing few of the points. Mass is a measure of the quantity of matter contained in a body, whereas the weight is the force with which the earth attracts a body. Beam balance is used to measure mass, whereas spring balance is used to measure weight. Mass is always constant for a body and does not change from place to place. Weight of a body changes from place to place. And if we talk about the units, then mass is having SI unit of kilogram and weight is having SI unit of Newton. Next, we see characteristics of the states of matter. Matter exists in three physical states, such as solid, liquid, and gas. The following are the features associated with the existence of matter in different states of matter, as arrangement of atoms and molecules, shapes and size, compressibility, rigidity, diffusibility. These are the main properties for the existence of the different states of matter. If we talk about solid, solid is highly rigid, बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, हार्ड होता है, तो उसकी वजह से हम उसे कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. सो सॉलिड्स आर इनकम्प्रेसिबल. Solids have a definite volume and it has their own shape, and obviously it is very rigid, so they do not flow. When we talk about liquid, this state of matter is less rigid and can be compressed. The shape of the liquid can be changed by compressing it. Characteristics of liquid, we can say it is less rigid as compared to solid. वो उतना हार्ड नहीं होता है जितना कि सॉलिड होता है. हार्ड नहीं, वो फ्लो कर सकता है, इसकी फ्लूइडिटी है, वो फ्लो कर सकता है, जबकि सॉलिड फ्लो नहीं कर सकता है. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी की बात अगर करें, liquids can be compressed to a small extent because the molecules are quite close together and the spaces between them are more. Then volume, liquids have definite volume. Liquids do not have a definite shape but take the shape of a container because the molecules are free to move from one direction to another. Now let us talk about gases. This state of matter is least rigid and highly compressible. So gases do not have a definite shape or volume. Gases have maximum fluidity because the molecules of gases move freely. Now let us discuss this arrangement of atoms and molecules in different states of matter. The molecules in a solid are packed close to each other. The only movement they make are small vibrations about their fixed position. The spaces between molecules are known as intermolecular space. These are almost negligible in solid. Due to this, the molecules attract each other very strongly. This force of attraction known as the intermolecular force of attraction. In case of liquid, the molecules in a liquid can move about a little. They are less tightly packed than in solid. They have bigger intermolecular spaces. The molecules of liquid do not have fixed position. The intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules of a liquid are weaker than those in solids. The molecules in gases are far apart from one another. They have huge intermolecular spaces between them. There are almost no intermolecular force of attraction holding them together. The molecules collide with each other and move in all directions. So what we got? Gases have high intermolecular space, hence weak intermolecular force of attraction, whereas solid have very low intermolecular space, hence have strong intermolecular force of attraction, जबकि लिक्विड इन दोनों के बीच में है, या फिर कह सकते हैं इन दोनों के इंटरमीडिएट है. Now let us discuss some properties of solids, liquids and gases. See the slide. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इफ वी सी मूवमेंट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, अगर मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में स्पेस ज़्यादा होगा तो वो इजीली मूव कर सकता है, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि गैस जिनके मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेसेस है वो मूव कर सकता है, जबकि सॉलिड के मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव नहीं कर सकते या फिर लिक्विड के मॉलिक्यूल्स बहुत कम मूव कर सकते हैं। वॉल्यूम की अगर बात करें तो सॉलिड का फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम होता है, लिक्विड को जिस कंटेनर में रखा जाता है उसका वॉल्यूम आ जाता है, लेकिन उसका शेप आ जाता है बट उसका डेफिनाइट वॉल्यूम होता है, और गैस जिस कंटेनर में रहता है वो पूरा वॉल्यूम पूरा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है। कोहेसिव फोर्स, these are the attractive forces between similar molecules, सेम मॉलिक्यूल के बीच अगर अट्रैक्शन होता है उसे कोहेसिव फोर्स कहते हैं, और डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच अट्रैक्शन होता है उसे एडहेसिव फोर्स कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, बिटवीन वाटर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल देयर इज कोहेसिव फोर्स एंड बिटवीन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड सिलिका देयर इज एडहेसिव फोर्स। नेक्स्ट वी सी Brownian movement. It is a random movement of microscopic particles suspended in a liquid or gas caused by collisions with molecules of the surrounding medium. Example, you can say tea diffusing in water, the particles swirl in the random direction. Beam of light enters in a dark room. Diffusion is the process of mixing substances with each other on their own. More is the intermolecular space, more is the diffusion. Diffusion occurs readily in liquids and gases. The molecules in gases are far apart than the molecules in liquids and solids, and they have higher speeds. Therefore, diffusion occurs more rapidly in gases than in liquids. डिफ्यूजन का एक एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं, अगर इंक को पानी में ड्रॉप किया जाता है तो इंक पूरा फैल जाएगा उस पानी में. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, एक्चुअली डिफ्यूजन ऑफ द इंक पार्टिकल्स ऑकर्ड इन वाटर. Interconversion of the states of matter. Interconversion of states of matter means to change a matter from one state to another. This change can be brought about by changing the temperature or pressure of the matter. एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में चेंज करना. See the slide. The diagram is given. Effect of heat on matter. When heat is added to a body, various things can result. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है अगर किसी बॉडी में हीट अगर जाता है, जैसे कि एक्सपेंशन हो सकता है, इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर हो सकता है, चेंज ऑफ स्टेट हो सकता है, केमिकल चेंजेस हो सकते हैं. एक्सपेंशन के केस में क्या है, व्हेन हीट इज एडेड टू अ सॉलिड द पार्टिकल्स गेन एनर्जी एंड वाइब्रेट मोर विगरसली अबाउट देयर फिक्स्ड पोजीशन, forcing each other further apart. As a result, expansion takes place. Similarly, the particles in a liquid or gas gain energy and are forced further apart. The degree of expansion depends on the substance. हीट गेन करने के बाद काइनेटिक एनर्जी गेन करेगा पार्टिकल्स और वो दूर दूर चला जाएगा, जिससे कि एक्सपेंशन होता है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इफेक्ट इज द लैटेंट हीट. When a solid changes to a liquid or a liquid changes to a gas, the temperature does not change while the change of state is taking place. जब स्टेट चेंज होता है तो उसमें कोई टेम्परेचर चेंज नहीं होता है. The heat absorbed is being used to separate the particles and there is no rise in temperature. When a change is reversed exactly and the same amount of heat is released. The heat energy involved in a change of state is called the latent heat. See, expansion is given here. How the expansion of liquid and gases are occurring in the diagram, it is given. Expansion of gas on heating is visible more than compared to liquid than compared to solid.